Hello everyone, share technology and share life. In today's video, I will share with you how to install the native Google GMS and Google App Store on Huawei phones. So what is the meaning of installing the native Google GMS and Google App Store? How is it different from installing Google GMS by GSpace, DualSpace, and our Play? What is its greatest advantage? Its biggest advantage is the perfect user experience. It is no different comparing with mobile phone that comes from the manufacturer pre-installed with Google GMS and Google App Store. The user experience is the best. The Google GMS and Google App Store installed using the method of GSpace, DualSpace, and our Play are similar to those of a virtual machine. In terms of experience, it is no better than installing the native Google GMS and the Google App Store on the mobile phones. If you are pursuing perfection, then you must try the method of installing the native Google GMS and the Google App Store shared in this video. After my personal test, this perfect method of installing the native Google GMS is perfectly suitable for Huawei P40 Pro, Mate30 Pro, Nova6, Honor V30 Pro phones with EMUI 10 version. If you upgraded the system to EMUI 11, then you need to first downgrade your EMUI version to EMUI 10. The method to downgrade is also very simple. Just click on the link above the video or down below the video to see how to downgrade the EMUI system. The installation method is basically a simple automatic installation method, as long as you follow the step-by-step instructions of the software I demonstrated in this video. If you fail to install on the above 4 models of mobile phones, just click on the one-click cleanup button on the installation app, and then repeat the operation. Try several times and you will be successful. Okay, let me show you how to install it step by step on my Huawei phone. Let's go. Okay, now welcome to my mobile phone. So I will use my Huawei Nova6 5G as a demo for you to show you step by step how to install the Google GMS. Okay, let's first go to the settings to have a look my system version here about the phones. So you can see my version is Nova6 5G, and the EMUI version is 10.1. So which means if you already upgraded to your mobile phone to the EMUI 11, then you need to downgrade your EMUI to the EMUI 10, and you can click the link down below this video. There is a video down below this video to link, and you can see the manual of how to downgrade the Huawei's EMUI system from EMUI 11 to EMUI 10. Okay, so after that, then you can install the Google GMS with the EMUI version 10. Okay, so first you need to downgrade the EMUI to EMUI 10. Just click down the video down below the link. You will see the video manual, the instruction for you to how to do it, downgrade. Okay, so let's check that then. The first step we need to do is to open the Huawei's internal browser here. To open the website, which is the XDA developer, this website. I will put the web link down below this video for you. You can click to open this website to download the APK to install the Google GMS and the Google App Store. Okay, the app name is Googlefier. We will use this automatic APK, application to automatically install the Google GMS and the Google App Store. Okay, you can see this developer is Band-007. This developer who created this application. Thanks for this guy. Okay, then we go down. There's some instruction, and for you, if you have time, you can read the instructions carefully. And here we can download this APK from this website. Here you can see download from APK Mirror. Yeah, this link. Not that link. That link is no longer work. So we will use this link to download from APK Mirror. Click this link to go to the download website to download it into your Huawei mobile phone. After that, then you can install this application, Googlefier. Okay, you can see the download pop-up window here. The APK is around 150 megabytes. Then you can click download to download it. Yeah, to download it. And after you finish the download, you can install it directly. We click 3 dots here and download, click here to see the progress of the download. It's dependent on your internet speed. So we just wait several seconds after when it finished the download. Okay. Okay, the download is finished. Then you can see the pop-up window said we will install this application. Then we click allow here to install the Googlefier into your Huawei phone. Here, next one is click install to install it. Okay, we finished the installation of the Googlefier. Then we click done. Let's go back to the desktop here. Okay, go back to desktop. Then you can see the Googlefier already on your desktop. Okay, now we will run this Googlefier to start the automatic installation process of the Google GMS and the Google App Store. Click Googlefier. Then there's some instructions said which support the EMUI 10.1.0150. So you need to downgrade your Huawei phone to this version. Okay, then click never mind, let me in. Okay, some instructions of the installing the GMS, native installation of the GMS, easy to use, all in one, step 1, step 2, step 3, according to this instruction one by one. It's very easy to do that. Click next, and yeah, it's informative. Click next, and you can support this developer to support him for the PayPal. Okay, let's go. Click let's go. And some authorities, click you need to allow. Okay, so give the permission and some instructions, read it carefully, and we click OK. So then we will start our process according to automatic process according to this instruction. First step is we needed to uninstall the internal backup app and to reinstall the compatible backup app into your Huawei phone to use it to restore some settings to your mobile phone. Okay, we click this button. First step is said you needed to setting your date time to 2019 of the year. Okay, then we click OK, and we switch off set automatically and to set the date time to 2019, and click OK. Yeah, then we go back, then click this button again. Yeah, then it's set uninstall current backup app and reinstall the compatible backup to your Huawei phone. Click OK. Then uninstall system app. OK, click OK to uninstall that. To reinstall, allow to reinstall this compatible backup. Install. To install the compatible backup, click done. You set it backup rerun again. Then I click agree. Give the permission, allow. Yeah, so you can see this application of backup. We already run it. Then click 3 dot here. 3 dot here. Restore from internal storage to restore the settings, and to click this one and click restore the app and data. Restore. Here is the password. The password already down below here. The password is Bender, BENDER, and 007 here. Bender 007. Click OK. So just OK. So finish the restore complete. Click done. OK. After the setting was restored, let's go back to the desktop. You can see this Google Assistant app already on your desktop. Then this is a very important app. You need to run it and leave it in the background. We need to run it and give the permission, and click here to activate this application and give the permission of allow. Yes, so you can see here. Then you click this blue button here. So now everything perfect. There's no warning. You just see the circle is running. This is perfect. It works. But if you see after you run this application, if you see some pop-up windows that this Google Assistant doesn't compatible with your mobile phone, which means you needed to downgrade your phone system from EMUI 11 to EMUI 10. That is why it's not compatible. But you don't see this pop-up window, just like me. You can see there's no pop-up window and the circle is running, which means it perfectly works on your phone's EMUI version 10. Okay, so we just leave it in the background. Everything is perfect. Okay, let's leave it in background and go back to the Googlefier to continue our process. Here, go back. Okay, now you can see the step 1, 2, 3 steps here. Then we will start the process according to the process automatically to do that, to install the Google GMS and the Google App Store. Let's run the first step here. Click this one, first one, and you needed to set due date to automatic. So now that we needed to restore the setting of the daytime to make it automatic. Go back or click OK and set automatically here. Okay, everything done, and let's go back to this process again. Let's click this number 1 step again. Click 1, and here we will install the MicroG. I think let's click OK. Yeah, we will MicroG, the Google Account Management Assistant. Yeah, we'll click Allow to Huawei MicroG. Install to use it to log in the the Google account. Let's click open. Yeah, you can see the account. We can use this button to log in your Google account. Yeah, perfect. But the first round will be crashed, but no problem. We will run the second one. Okay. Okay, now we will run the second round of this MicroG. First crashed, second round. Sign in, then it will you can see now, you can see this login window appeared. Then you needed to log in to your Google account, import your Gmail account. Okay, then click next. Okay, now key in your Gmail account password, then click next. Now we logged in our Gmail account, then click I agree. Then click cancel. Then we go back. Okay, go back. So now you can see the step 1 is disappeared, which means we already successfully logged in your Google account. Then if you have multiple Google accounts, then you can repeat. You can click step 2 to log in your another Google account. Or you have a third and a fourth, you have a 3, 4, any more Google account, you can use this button to log in your more account. So I only have 1 account. Okay, so I will jump the step 2 and run the step 3 directly, because I will show you because I only log in 1 Google account. Okay, now click step 3. I will jump to step 3. Okay, now the automatic process starts to allow install the Google's GMS and the Google's framework or the related application. You just allow, install, done according to its instruction. Allow, install, done, allow. The steps are automatically run. Done, allow, install, done, allow, install, done. They are all automatically run. Now pop-up instruction, read it carefully. Okay, then we click OK. Then here we will force stop. Click this force stop. and uninstall. Click OK. Then we will reinstall the application again. So have a look at this instruction carefully. Then we click OK. Click Allow. Install. Click Done. Okay, so we finished some steps. Then we go back to the desktop. You can see the Play Store already on your mobile phones. So now let's have a try. We click Play Store to have a look. This Play Store can be run or not. Let's click Play Store. Yeah, we can see the Play Store can be run successfully. So if you have any problem, please double check that this Google Assistant was loaded in the background or not. You please make it loaded in the background. Please keep it alive in the background. Don't kill it. Then you can you run this Play Store very successfully. Okay, now let's keep our process. Keep the process go forward. Let's go back to the Googlefier. Then click the button number 3 steps. Continue the process. Let's have a look at the instruction. Then click OK. Click Allow to install the Google Account Manager. Install. Okay, done. Okay, let's finish this installation. Let's go back to the desktop to have a look. The Play Store was run successfully or not. Yeah, it still can be run successfully. We kill it again. Try again. Yeah, it can run successfully. Okay, perfect. Let's go back Googlefier. Click the number 3 button again to go forward this process. Have a look this instruction. Then click OK. Then here click Force Stop and click Uninstall. Click OK. Then there's instructions. Read it carefully. Click OK. Here Allow. Click Allow. Click Install. OK. Click Done. Now let's go back to the desktop to double check Play Store can be run or not. We will kill it and reopen it to have a look. It can be run or not. Yeah, it still can run perfectly. Okay, let's go back and keep forward. This Googlefier to click the button again and read the instruction carefully. Okay, then click OK. Here, click Force Stop. Then click the storage. Here you can see the click data. Click data to make these 2 buttons gray out. Okay, then we will restart our mobile phone. To restart it, keep on the power button here. Power off and restart. We click restart. Here, restart. After restart, we will rerun the Google Play to see if it can be loaded or not. Okay, we now are back to the desktop again and restarted. Then we will rerun the Play Store directly after the restart of the phone. Click Play Store to see if it can run. Yeah, it can be run successfully. Perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. Now let's keep our process of installing the Google GMS and the Google Play Store. Let's go back to the desktop and click Googlefier again to keep our process. Yeah, to keep forward. Yeah, now we will click the button of number 3 again. Read the instruction carefully. Okay, then we click OK. Now we will click Uninstall and deactivate and uninstall. Click this button and click OK. And here the pop-up window, read carefully. Then we click OK. Here, Google Play Services installation. Click Allow. Click Install. Okay, then we click Done. Here, go back to the desktop to double check the Play Store can be run or not. Yeah, perfect. Now it still can be run very successfully. let's go back to the desktop and go back to the Googlefier to check the button 3 again. Yeah, to read the instruction carefully. It said the Google services are already installed. Yeah, so if something wrong, then we can use the button clean to clean all the settings, clean all the previous installed files, and you can reinstall it. You can reinstall the applications. Again, you can repeat this process for several times. If you failed once, no problem. You can try the second time and then try the third time after you click the clean button. Because I'm successfully installed the Google GMS and the Google Play Store, so I don't need to click this button. This button, which means delete Google services and other apps which could prevent you from using Googlefier the right way, so you don't have to do a factory reset. So no need to do a factory reset to your Huawei phone. No need to do a factory reset. Just click this button to clean all the application services which are part of Google services will be removed. So the Google services applications which are part of Google service will be removed. So you don't need to restore your mobile phone to the factory reset to the factory reset. So it is very convenient for you to try the second time, the third time. After finally, I think you will be successfully finished this process to successfully finish the installation of the Google GMS and the Google Play Store. Okay, I will don't do it. I click it, don't do it. Okay, I will go back to my Play Store and I will install some applications like YouTube and Google Gmail. Let's have a look. I will search YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, and then I click install to install YouTube. Okay, so YouTube is downloaded and now it's installing. So yeah, it's very fast. Now YouTube was already installed. Let's go back to desktop. You can see YouTube already installed. Then let's continue. We will search for the Gmail to install the Gmail here. Yeah, perfect. We click install the Gmail. Okay, the Gmail is downloaded and now it's installing. It's very fast. Yeah, it's already installed. Go back to the desktop. You can see here the Gmail already installed. Then let's load YouTube. Okay, let's have a try. Load YouTube. Yeah, it's perfect. You can see the YouTube was loaded. You can see YouTube can load it and can play automatically. Yeah, you can see the YouTube can be run successfully. Okay, so let's go back to the desktop and let's have a try the Gmail. Click the Gmail and click got it. And you can see your Gmail account already in this Gmail application. Then you can take me to the Gmail. Then you can receive your Gmail very conveniently in this application. So, and let's go back to the Play Store, and you can use the Play Store to install all the related applications you want, like Google Chrome, Facebook, all the related applications. So now you have the Google application store. Everything is ready for you to use. So this is a perfect method to install the Play Store, Google Play Store and Google GMS. And the user experience is perfect, which means the same user experience comparing with the phone, which was pre-installed, the Google GMS and Google application, Google App Store, just like Google Pixels or other kind of mobile phones. So it is perfect. So if you feel this video helpful, just a thumb up and subscribe the channel to avoid missing future update. See you next time. Bye bye.